homeostatic control mechanism. Homeostasis in the human body is continually being disturbed. Some disruptions come from the external environment in the form of physical insults such as the intense heat of a hot summer day or a lack of enough oxygen for that 2-mile run. Other disruptions originate in the internal environment, such as a blood glucose level that falls too low when you skip your breakfast. Homeostatic imbalances may also occur due to psychological stresses in our social environment. The human body has many regulating systems that can usually bring the internal environment back into balance. Therefore, a homeostatic control system is a functionally interconnected network of body components that operate to maintain a given factor in the internal environment at a relatively constant optimal level. In order to maintain homeostasis in the human body, the control system must be able to detect deviations from the normal in the internal environmental factor that needs to be held within narrow limits. It must be able to integrate this information with any other relevant information. It must also be able to make appropriate adjustments in the activity of the body parts that are responsible for restoring this factor to its desired value. There are two classes of homeostatic control systems. The first one is intrinsic control system. Intrinsic means within. It is also known as local control system. Intrinsic or local controls are built into or are inherent in an organ. For example, an exercising skeletal muscle rapidly uses up oxygen to generate energy to support its contractile activity. As a result, increased blood flow through the dilated vessels into the exercising muscles brings in more oxygen. This local mechanism helps maintain an optimal level of oxygen. Another control system is extrinsic control system. Extrinsic means outside of. This system is also known as systemic control. The extrinsic or systemic controls are regulatory mechanisms which are initiated outside an organ to alter the organ's activity. Extrinsic control of the organs and body systems is accomplished by the nervous and endocrine systems. Both of these systems, either they work together or independently to provide the needed corrective measures. The nervous system regulates homeostasis by sending electrical signals known as nerve impulses or action potentials to organs that can counteract changes from the balanced state, whereas the endocrine system includes many glands that secrete messenger molecules called hormones into the blood. So, the extrinsic control system permits coordinated regulation of several organs toward a common goal. In contrast, intrinsic controls serve only the organ in which they occur.